Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 273. Now it's a very common code, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do, simply go down to the cogwheel settings right here and log out. Now make sure to save your credentials, know what your login is with your password, otherwise you can't log back in. Now once you've done that, simply head down to your search right here and type in CMD. It will open up command prompt. Now right click it and run as administrator. Simply press yes and this will open up command prompt. Now the thing that you want to do is type in some codes. Now simply type in ipconfig spacebar / flush DNS. Now what this will do, it will flush the DNS cache and it will fasten up your server. Now from there type in netsh spacebar winsock spacebar reset. Now this will reset the winsock catalog, and from there the last we're going to type in netsh int ip reset. And from here, what this will do, I made a typo, so simply type in ntsh int ip reset, and that should be it, as you can see. And right here, all you have to do from here on out is simply restart your computer, exit CMD, and you can start playing Roblox again, and the error 273 should be fixed. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.